Going to school. Children, we have already explained you that how do you all go to school. I told parents pick up, private van pick up or school van, like this you reach to school. But there is a place called Assam. Okay, where does Assam lies? Assam is there over here. See, you can see the picture of this. Assam is a northeast part of our India. See, this is Assam. Can you all see this picture? This is the Assam. Now the first topic what we are talking about is Assam. Assam ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. We will learn about Assam, again about Kerala. Kerala is a neighbor state for us. Okay. And next we will learn about Rajasthan. And next we will learn about Gujarat and so many places like this. Okay. Just let me explain you about the first concept, that is Assam. See children, before entering into the Assam, I have already told you where Assam is situated. Assam is situated with the northern east part of the India. But Assam alli one speciality, do you know what is that? ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, Assam alli in a year half of the year will be always raining. Assam alli ತುಂಬಾ ಮಳೆ. It rains very much in the Assam state. Okay, so to move from one place to another place, the people over the Assam, they build the bridges with the bamboo. Okay, bamboo ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Do you all know what do you mean by bamboo? Bamboo ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿದ್ರು. See, you can see in the, those who are all having the textbook, you can see that one. Otherwise, I am showing you. See, this is called bamboo. Okay, with the help of this, Assam people will build the bridges. Okay, so ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, the children over there in the Assam, how do they reach school every day? They reach school every day through crossing this bamboo bridge. Okay, yakappa bamboo bridge na build ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? Why do they build bamboo bridge? I have already told you it rains heavy in Assam. So ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ bridges, I think so you people all have seen where we are all staying. What kind of bridges will be there? The bridges, like it is made up of with the cement, iron, steel ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So that ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ we can cross the bridges. Not even like walking. We can cross the bridges through. Two-wheelers will go, four-wheelers, everything will go on the cement bridge. But in Assam, it is not like that, because if they build the bridges through the cement or brick, it will sink. Sink ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಮುಳುಗೋದು. So ನಾವು ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಐರನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ if we build the bridges in the Assam, ಅದು ಮುಳುಗ್ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, because ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಳೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. So see, this is what the bamboo ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ, this is called bamboo. Bamboo ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿದಿರು. So with the help of this bamboo, they will build the bridges. So ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದ್ರೂ it will float. ಮುಳುಗಲ್ಲ. Float ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತೇಲೋದು, sink ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಳುಗೋದು. So bamboo ಇಂದ ಯಾವಾಗ bridges now they will build, so that ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದ್ರೂ bridges will be floating, ತೇಲುತ್ತೆ. See, this is what you can see. This is the bamboo. With the help of this, they build the bridges. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಬೂ ಈಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಳೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ವೇರ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು whatever we call ಗಿಡ, whatever the tree that is grass. Actually bamboo is a grass. Okay, it is one of the grass, very ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ long grass bamboo. Okay, and anyway it rains very much over there, bamboo is grown so much. So people over there in Assam, they doesn't have that much problem with this bamboo, because we can see, if you go to Assam place, we can see the bamboo everywhere. It is easily available. Okay, so with the help of this bamboo, they build the bridges in the Assam. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, children over there in the Assam, they cross the bridge, means they'll cross this bamboo bridges and they'll reach their school. Okay, yes. You may ask me one question, ma'am, don't they feel it's tough to cross the bridge? Because they are just, it's like a one single, I'll just show you, wait. Yes. It is very hard to cross the bridge over bridge. Why? Yeah, you can ask me this question, ma'am, it's only a small, like a rope structure it is there. How will they cross the bridge? I mean, you can ask me the question, don't they feel it's difficult? Sure, it is difficult for you and me, because the first time when we are doing that, we will feel tough. But the children over there in the Assam, they are being adopted, or they are being adjusted for it from the very early childhood life. So they won't feel it's very tough. See how nicely the boy is crossing. In one hand he is holding the book, and one hand he is holding this bamboo, and easily he is crossing. But you and me, sometimes initially it will be, we feel tough. But when we practice the thing, for that also it will become easy for us. For that, I'll just show you small activity you can do at them. See children, this here NCERT is full of activities. Okay, all these days, means past 2 years, what we were doing, I used to teach some lesson. That lesson related pictures I used to tell you to cut and paste or just to draw all those things. But here the activity is more in NCERT books. Okay, so need not to do activities from somewhere from outside. It is there in your textbook itself. Okay, just I will tell you one small activity over there. Today I will give you one activity. All should you do at home. Okay, the activity is collect some bricks, lay on the ground in a lane as shown in the picture. Try walking on them. Was it easy? The activity is just bricks. Ellaru itke kallu nodidiralla, itke kallu bricks. So this is called the bricks. Okay. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುವಂತಹ ನಿಯರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 4 to 5 ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟ್ರೈ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಥರ like how the kids are doing this activity, you also can do this activity with help of your brother, sister, or you yourself you can do. ಈ ಥರ ಇಟ್ಕೆ ಕಲ್ಲು whatever the bricks ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, that one you take it, collect, put it 4 or 5 bricks over there in a row. Just try walking on the brick. First ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? what do you experience first? You experience that you may fall. ನೀವು ಬೀಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. But the second time, third time, fourth time, if you are doing the same thing, if you are doing the same thing second and third time, you are used to it. The same why I have told you to do this activity. These children also, when they were in the small, it was tough for them, but they were used to it. The same thing. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ತರ if you start doing this on the start walking on the brick, that will become easy for you. You can try this bamboo activity also. Make a small bridges by tying a 4 or 5 bamboo. Yes, 4 or 5 bamboo poles together. Ask your teacher. If you would have been in the school, you would have tried this one. Okay, at least at home you can try this. So make a small bridges by tying 4 to 5 bamboo poles together. Ask your teacher to help you. Now walk on your bridge. How do you feel? Did you fall down? If you walk like this, a few minutes, you will start. Yes, you will start finding it easy. If you are there in the school, you would have tried this activity. Now if you are not in the school, children, that's okay, no problem. At home you can try this activity. Okay, yes, let us go next. First of all, before entering into next one, children, do you know what do you mean by bridges? Bridges andre gotta, what does the bridges work? How does bridge work? Bridge andre ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? It connects from one people to another place. See, for example, now here one place is there. Okay, here this side one place is there. Okay, now you are standing over here. Think that I am standing over here. You want to go to that place. How will you go? Here the water will be there. Water will be floating. So there will be a bridge over here. So walking on the bridge, or okay, you are riding something, bicycle or bike, anything, or you are walking. Through this, you will cross from this end to that end. So the bridge means it carries goods or people from one end to another end. Okay, children. Now you are bridge means bridge is a thing that it carries from one corner to another corner. Means it will carry you from one place to another place. You will be somewhere over here. You want to go to that place. Means through the help of the bridge, you will move from this corner to that corner. Okay. Okay, children. Today we have learned about the small topic about the Assam. Okay, how Assam. Okay, just let me recall before winding up. So we have learned that concept, that is going to school. So we told already, we have discussed in different places people use different means of mode of transport to reach from one place to another place. Like that we have today we have discussed about our first topic, that is our first topic. Yes, about our first topic. Yes, that is Assam. Okay, about the in this lesson we have learned about what is Assam, where it is situated, and what is the mode of transport, means bamboo. Okay, with the help of the bamboos they build the bridges, and with the help of these bamboo bridges, people or children, they go from one end to another end. Okay, children, you have all understood. Okay, tomorrow we will talk about with the new concept, that is new thing, that is Ladakh. Okay, over there trolley. How the people in the Himachal Pradesh use trolley for their transportation. Okay, children, tomorrow we will talk about that, and today Okay, we are done with that. If whatever anything notes or anything, just I'll WhatsApp you. Please write, keep 200 pages, your single line for EVS classes, and whatever the work that I will give, please write in that. Okay, children? Bye.